Now I will show you how to test the keyboard in the Vista platform. Okay, Vista platform, how to test the keyboard. First we want to go the keyboard here, keyboard button here, press the keyboard. Then we want to press edit enable. Edit enable, we can get one screen. We can press ts dot test ts dot test, then OK. Then we can test the keyboard test is here. Now we can various keyboards. You see, you can, once you press the button here, a corresponding there is will be showing. There is arrow mark, zoom button, whatever the button you press, then you can get exit from here. Also we can test the touch adjust. Touch adjust same like this. You can touch screen adjustment is here. You can touch the touch screen adjustment here. Okay, here like this. You can test. Okay, touch adjust. Here after finish, it is automatically going to the first screen. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. Then if you want to exit from here, you can press the exit. Also we can adjust the monitor test, keyboard test, USB test all here. Okay.